Okay, Gachtina. So everybody, what we have to do is we've got to click on the correct picture for the word that is called out. So we have to éis leis an bhucail agus clickáil an pictiúr ceart. So that just means listen to the word and click on the correct picture. So let's start.
Cosh.
Cois. Cá bhfuil an cois. Ceart.
Kishon.
So now we're looking for the kishon, the basket. Kishon. Cá bhfuil an kishon. Now there's a kishon's a picture in the picture, but over here in the picture, tá kishon sa picture.
Banya.
Banya. Okay, banya is milk. Cá bhfuil an banya. Okay, so tá banya sa picture, ach tá banya, the milk is over here.
Brisky.
Brisky. Biscuits. Cá bhfuil na brisky. Where are the biscuits? Tá brisky in a love. They're in his hand. But with the pictures, let's have a look over here. Brisky.
Aran.
Aran is bread. Now there's Aran on shelf. But where is the Aran in the picture? In the pictures? Aran.
Trolley.
Trolley. Okay, so trolley ag Mamaí sa picture. Ach cá bhfuil an trolley. The trolley in the pictures is over here. Well done, you're getting these all right.
Im.
Im is butter. Im. Cá bhfuil an im? Im. Is it down this side? No. Is it over this side? Oh, im. Tá im in a love on the checkout in her hand. Agus tá im sa picture seo in this picture.
Mahu.
Mahu. Well done, everybody. Excellent.